morning, guys. Yes, I'm still in the same clothes I wore yesterday. I slept in them because everything was like packed away. And so I just moved my car out over there. I'm gonna try to set up the camera and get a picture of us in front of the cabin. We haven't had one. We had so many guests out, we had so many neighbors over, and we never asked anyone to take a picture of us in front of our cabin. Can y'all go sit on the steps for me, kids? Trying to get a shot here. All right, so that looks pretty good. I think, let me go find Sam. I'll be right back. Okay, it's happening. All right, are y'all all in place? The cabin is behind us. Not really, not forever, but me and the kids won't be back out for a little bit. This guy's going back out soon. How you feeling?
I hurt my neck. I gotta go to chiropractor today. Get a haircut and head back to Broken Bow.
Guys, look who it is. Hi. She's showing her a song. Herman the Worm. This is a song Ava and Macy. Oh, we miss Ava and Macy and Lila. If you're watching, hi girls, we miss you. We miss you too, Heath and Amanda. Abram just freaked Nana out so bad with the June bug. It was hilarious. Hey Auntie, what's up girl? Having a little swim day with the sister-in-laws and the mother-in-law.
Alright guys, got my hair cut. I usually get my beard trimmed with it, but they wouldn't do it because of the corona. Everyone got his beard trimmed though. But you are looking handsome.
I don't
look that face.
I don't even have a beard.
Can I kiss that face up, man?
No.
Put that knife down. Crazy. Anyway, I'm off to a chiropractor now. I'm on Motrin, so I'm not too much pain. But the night I wrestled with the kids, that same day I hurt my neck somewhere or another. I can't remember how. But then I started wrestling with them and it got even worse. I'm an old man, so I'm gonna go get my neck popped. Hey. I'm on a table attached to a TENS unit. It's like an electrical device that stimulates your back muscles and helps relax them before you get adjusted. So, getting my back rolled now.
So fall from the axis, right? No?
Drop your shoulder down. Relax the leg. Oh. Drop the shoulder down, relax the leg. Oh, gosh. Take a deep breath. Blow it out. Blow it out. Nice. Oh, gosh. Face up. Good. Oh. Okay, there it is.
Alright guys, made it to the cabin. Pretty crazy. I stopped at Home Depot to get some lights for the steps. I found another project to do, and it's shining up in some of these trees by the pond. There's music playing in the cabin. Oh my gosh. This is John Denver, Take Me Home. This is my song for the cabin. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. This is my jam for the cabin, guys. This is the official Wild Symphony song. Roads, yeah! Me home, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, Country Road, take me home. Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, so we had cleaners come to the cabin, and they cleaned up the place, and it smells and looks amazing. It's ready for people to come stay in. I feel like I lost my voice. Anyway, I've actually been here at the cabin, obviously. I cannot stop listening to the song. It's so emotional for me because this place over the past 3.5 years has become like home for me. Like there's just so much of my work in here. So much, like it's a part of me. And it's just such a huge moment that we're about to hand it over to renters. I just hope they can feel just like a tiny bit of what I feel when I come into here. I can't explain it, but I just love this cabin. I just love it. And I'm so thankful to God that he allowed me to be able to just fulfill this dream. Like, there's nothing about it that I feel like, I was like, I shouldn't have done that. Like, maybe little things. Actually, I can't even think of a little thing. So I'm here alone without the family. I lost my voice because I've been singing like crazy while working on a project here. I'll give you guys a sneak peek. This is the sneak peek right here. That's the sneak peek. I'm working on a painting for someone very, very, very special. It's just crazy that I'm able to sit here and paint in a cabin that took me 3.5 years to get to this point. It's just, oh man. I can't explain it, guys. I'm just so thankful for this cabin. I can't believe... I'm going to be making a video for the completion of the cabin, but I can't believe God just, he gave me my complete heart's desire. Up to this point in my life, like I can't think of, there's no other desire in my heart right now that's not been fulfilled. Like Nia, first of all, he gave me the absolute best wife I could ever dream of. He gave me you guys, and in this cabin, I'm besides myself, guys. I can't really express myself right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you go. Okay, come back tomorrow. Eric's going to come by tomorrow night. So that'll be fun. Golly, I feel like my voice sounds like a total idiot. Sorry about that. But don't forget, guys, he loves you. And remember to love each other.
Floaty? How do you talk like a big girl?
Please help me.
Sure.